Okay.
Wherever you point is where we're recording. We are looking at a hailstorm on the way home. We are getting struck by all kinds of really big hail, and it is pelting. It's at least dime-sized hail. Very strong winds going across. Yeah, big pieces of hail coming.
Chunks of ice.
Pounding down. Really big hail. Strong winds.
Wow. Those people are pull over. Pull over. Let's just wait for about 10 minutes. See if it gets any better. Lightning is flashing all around us.
Hazards on?
I don't know.
That was very impressive. Wow.
Wow, when you look out the window, it looks like the ground is covered with marbles.
Yeah, there are some good-sized pieces of hail there. All right, I think the hailstorm's abated. 1 minute of really intense hail.
Wow, look at that big piece
Oh, I still got a little bit out there. Yep. Pretty neat. Pretty exciting, all this hail.